Hey, I just wanted to tell you about one of our newest products. It's from our skincare line, Lumiere de Vie, actually just one of our skincare lines, but it's our best one. It is called Lumi-Stick, and they are just sheer washes of color with just a little bit of shimmer, nothing crazy. I have the shade called 100% That Beach on my lips, cheeks, and eyelids. If you're going to be putting them on all over the place, I wouldn't, put a bunch on your lips and then rub it on your cheeks. I would get brushes, a different clean brush for each. And you can just mist the brush with a little bit of 70% alcohol before you move on. But what I like is it's super soft. Don't press hard. It's really soft. It's very pretty. This is our lightest shade. It's kind of like a coral, pinky peachy, more pink to it than anything. Really pretty, really simple for spring, summer, just to put a little color on and go. Then we have 4 more shades. I must put on my glasses to read these to you. Shady Beach is one of them. This is one of our darker shades. Real pretty. You can put them on your décolleté. I hate that word, but whatever. You can put them here. You can put some on your shoulders just for a little kind of a bronzing effect. Like I said, it's super sheer. You don't have to worry about, it's not transfer resistant. So watch out for your clothes. But you don't have to worry about it being silly looking. It's really pretty, really pretty. Again, you can do, I did a little bit of contouring on my nose with this, just a little bit. But you can do, as I did with the first color, lips, cheeks, and eyes. And what do we have? We have I can't even see with my glasses on. Son of a Beach. And this is more of like an orangey shade, but really pretty. Really pretty. Running out of hand space here. Okay. Now we have Resting Beach Face. That's my favorite name. And this is our darkest. That it is so pretty. Pretty. Something simple, but maybe a little more dressed up. You could go for Resting Beach Face. Now we have Beach Please. Love that one. This is another one if you want a little more dressed up. So pretty. So pretty. And I will feature a different one every day. So like I said, this one's our lightest one. That's called 100% That Beach. And so I will put on a new one every day. If you have any questions, you can just comment right here on this post.